Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a Fronx Delta Plus Turbo manual, and this is not my car. The owner of this car reported some wobbling, vibration issues on the steering. Actually, it's felt all over the car. This car was manufactured in the month of July or August. Apparently, Suzuki messed something up, and many owners of Fronx manufactured between July to September 2025 have been reporting issues with vibrations on the steering, on the accelerator pedal, and also, you know, in this area. So my friend is driving my Alpha manual, which is 2023, and I'm just checking out how different this car feels, and it definitely has some wobbling issues, which I will be covering very shortly.
When you push a car beyond 1800 RPM and below 2500 RPM, there is a shuddering. I'm not going to call it vibration, but it is a wobbling. Your leg just literally wobbles left and right. I feel this is not an engine issue. It could technically be some hardware issue, I feel. But again, I guess Sanjeev has already reported this to service center. I mean, they've suspected a clutch replacement could solve it, but I really doubt.
Not exactly. They initially said that there is a oil leakage in the engine head, and fixing that will solve this issue. And now they fixed that oil leakage, and now they're saying that maybe we need to try replacing the clutch with the latest manufacturing unit, and so that because they feel that that would fix the issue, though they're going for a hit and try method.
I don't think it's specific to any variant as well. You have a Delta Plus Turbo manual, and you have a Alpha automatic. And I think we have two more people in our group with a, I think one has a Zeta manual and the other one has a
Automatic.
Alpha automatic.
I mean, this was first detected by the Sri Lankan owners. I guess we've got about 10 to 12 in a separate group of people who've got very similar issues.
Which one of your cars have more vibration, or is it exactly the same?
Similar.
Exactly same.
Similar.
Okay, let's go for a drive.
This car was very similar to mine.
Okay.
It'll just shake. Okay.
I'm starting the recording.
Start, yeah. Let's do it.
I'll turn off the AC.
Turn off the AC.
It's okay, you can put the AC on, bro. I mean, trust me. Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah,
Let's
we'll
put it
get a clear evidence on the video.
let's put it
This is a Fronx Alpha manual, 2025
on.
July. I felt it.
Yes.
You'll feel it more actually. I mean, there'll be this shuddering. You'll feel that actually. I mean, that is not evident every time, just random.
So above 2000 RPM, it feels okay.
There's a hub pill over there in the front, correct?
Yeah.
Just go a little forward, okay?
Okay.
Be on fourth. Be on the same RPM now.
Let me do one thing. I'll stay on fifth gear.
Yeah, stay on fifth.
And I'll try to accelerate aggressively uphill.
You don't need to accelerate aggressively, like maybe half.
Okay.
Put on fourth and then half push.
1 second.
Slow it down a little bit. Bring it to 1500 probably.
Yeah.
I can feel it actually.
Can you feel it, Hari?
I can feel it here.
Can you feel the shudder?
Yeah.
Not able to see it, but it's definitely there.
Yes.
And
Exactly the same in my car.
and our Sri Lankan Fronx Alpha AT owners have been complaining of the same issue. Now, this car has done only 3,800 kilometers. When did you first notice this, Sanjeev?
Probably somewhere close to 1,300.
After 1,000, yeah.
After the first.
I think we are seeing a trend here. It's happening around the 1,000 mark, and as you clock more distance, it gets worse. There is one guy from Sri Lanka who's done 10,000 kilometers, and it's just got really worse with time.
I don't know how.
I felt it on the accelerator pedal, the steering.
And the central console. So
Yeah, and here my leg was
exactly.
resting on this part, and I felt it here. Okay, so it's definitely there.
Is it mechanical or?
I think it's mechanical, yes. They changed the clutch plates for you, right?
No, not yet. They're
Okay.
suggesting that. So probably
Let them do whatever
Yeah,
they want.
that's what. Even
Now we have like two more people from Pune. One of them reported the same issue, and they replaced the clutch plate. Apparently that's not really the cause of this. So they're doing trial and error. Instead of identifying the root cause, they just replacing different parts, assuming that it's going to work. I'll make a separate video on my car, and again, it's not something which is visible on video, but I can assure you I don't feel that. Even you drove my car, you didn't feel any vibrations.
Absolutely. Well,
Did you push it all the way?
I did.
Okay.
I did take it up to 100. Well, that was exactly how it felt when I test drove a car there. So that's exactly how a car should have been. I mean, the Fronx Turbo should have been. So, yep, that was absolutely perfect.
Now I think
I can hear it now. I can hear it.
Yeah, exactly.
See?
Put your
Tug,
hand
tug,
on
tug.
gear and you'll feel that over there as well. It'll just push your hand and your legs.
Yes.
We were lucky for 23 model, the first OGs.
Yeah. even 24 is fine.
Yeah.
Like if you check our group, I haven't seen anyone complaining about Fronx from the 23-24 batch. The only thing I've ever heard was the rattling issues. Do you have rattling issues?
no.
No, right? You'll get it. You'll eventually get it.
We have in the left.
Yeah.
Actually,
For me, I feel it here. I place my hand here, it goes away. Basically, it's because of this,
correct.
different
It's-
layers
you
of
know that
plastic.
Some double tape.
Yeah.
Or sometimes I feel like if you keep something in the dashboard, you
Yeah, this is actually not from the dashboard. It's actually from the
Okay.
plastic panel. Like, can you?
There is no wind
No.
cutting on the left one.
I think yours. Yeah, you see this. So there is something inside
Yeah.
which comes out of place when you go on rough roads, and then it rattles for some time. It's minor. Some people may not even observe it, and it goes away on its own because the whatever came out of place goes back into its original position, and then the sound goes away. But that's not a major issue. This is a major issue.
Correct.
What you've been experiencing.
How much did you get it for?
3.5.
I took it to 3-4. That is when I started noticing the slight vibration. It is evident actually from the steering itself. There is a dashboard. When we can touch it actually, it is slightly less evident when it is less than 2.5. 2.5 to 2.8 is where I found it around 2.3 to 2.5. It's very noticeable.
It's specifically on July, August, and I think September. That's the period. Fronx. Not sure about tastes, but so far it's predominantly on Fronx. Okay, this is Lanka. All are blue, all look similar. I get confused. The purpose of making this video is to spread awareness. If you're considering Fronx Turbo, please check its VIN number, and if it is manufactured in or between the months of June and September, please stay away, even if the dealer is offering you attractive discounts. Because as of today, Jan 17, 2025, Suzuki is absolutely clueless about what the issue could be. They have replaced the clutch plates. They have replaced the front axle assembly, and now they're speculating the issue could be with the mild hybrid system. They don't know for sure. They're just doing trial and error. Also, I'm disappointed with the customer experience at Nexa. The technicians are not really trained on Fronx Turbo. They can't even get a simple oil change right. I have observed technicians filling 0W16 grade engine oil on Fronx Turbo, against the recommended 5W30, and some of them have been filling 3.7 liters instead of 2.9 liters. And this is not just my observation. So many Fronx Turbo owners in our group have observed this across different Nexa dealerships in the country. Also have visited several Nexa service centers across different cities, and till date I have not come across a single Nexa service center which has stock of a 5W30 engine oil that meets API SP standard. Now this is a TGDI engine, and like all TGDI engines, it's prone to low speed pre-ignition, and an engine oil that meets API SP standard or API SQ has additives which resist LSPI, and sadly most Nexa service centers have either API SN or API SL. API SL is something which is 20 years behind. So if you're just gonna trust these service centers blindly, and if you don't really care about what is going inside your car, then probably, like, you know, after the warranty period or as your car gets older, it's not going to feel the same. I mean, it's going to impact the longevity of its engine. Anyways, I hope you found this video useful. If you're a prospective Fronx buyer, or if you have a Fronx Turbo manufactured between June and September, and if you experience these shuddering issues, feel free to join our WhatsApp community. We'll do what we can to help. The link is in the description. And I think that's about it. I'll wrap this up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.